What is functional training workout, and why is functional fitness important? Functional training is a term used to describe exercises that help you perform activities in everyday life more easily. These exercises typically use the whole body, definitely multiple muscles, and emphasize core strength and stability. Functional fitness is designed to prepare you for all aspects of your life, not just to successfully lift heavy weights in the gym. If you can hit a 300-pound back squat, but you're out of breath walking from your car to your front door, functional fitness may be the answer. This style of training will help you become a more well-rounded athlete, which will translate to your everyday life. Traditional strength training focuses on building strength in one muscle group at a time. Functional training, on the other hand, focuses on large body movements that stabilize specific muscle groups and move others to mimic activities of daily life. Movements such as squatting, reaching, pulling, and lifting will be made easier with functional fitness integrated into your exercise routine. Functional fitness exercises train your muscles to work together and prepare them for daily tasks by simulating common movements you might do at home, at work, or in sports, while using various muscles in the upper and lower body at the same time. Functional fitness exercises also emphasize core stability. Functional training is something that is rooted in all of us. Our bodies were developed with the intention of having all of our muscles work together and support each other to accomplish certain movements and tasks. Isolating certain muscle groups to add mass was not what our bodies were naturally made for. Modern functional fitness was developed on a foundation rooted in rehabilitation and therapy. Physical therapists often used functional training to correct and retrain patients with movement disorders. Functional training was prescribed to patients to help them correct their weaknesses in order to live a more fulfilled life. Besides making you more well-rounded as a person, functional fitness has a number of benefits. Physical benefits of functional fitness: strength, building and maintaining muscle strength and function; flexibility, keeping joints and muscles supple and moving with ease; endurance, sustaining movement that improves cardiovascular health; balance, staying secure and strong on our feet, a key to preventing falls and unnecessary injuries. Functional fitness training exercises for beginners. Here is a list of 5 functional training exercises for beginners. Box. Step. Up, with dumbbells. Dumbbell. Bench. Press. Romanian. Deadlift. With dumbbells, barbells or kettlebells. Goblet squat. With dumbbells or kettlebells. Farmer's carry. With dumbbells or kettlebells. These are the most effective no-equipment exercises: air squats, lunges, planks, push-ups, balancing poses. How often should you do functional training? The breakdown varies depending on your specific goals, but in general, 4 to 5 days a week will do the trick if you're aiming to improve or maintain your fitness. What works best for you? Do let us know your comment below, and if you like the content of this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.